What's up guys, Dave here from iOgrapher. Today we're going to take a look at one of my new favorite accessories that I am obsessed with, and you'll see why in a moment. It's our Mini Teleprompter. I love this thing. I saw this and I wanted to sell these to people because I just think it's something that is a necessity, especially if you have a hard time remembering long scripts that you're trying to talk about, or whatever you're trying to speak about in your video, and you're like just going off your brain. And as you get a little older like me, your brain slows down a little bit. So I want to show you this little mini teleprompter today on iOgrapher TV. Okay, so this is what comes with the Mini Teleprompter kit. You've got the Mini Teleprompter here. It comes with a ball head mount. Then this is a platform that you can put your DSLR cameras on and into a tripod as well. So if you're using DSLR cameras. This is an extra hood for DSLR cameras. So those two go together. There's some extra padding for the back here in case you need different sizes here. You've got options for that. It comes with a remote control, we'll talk about that, and everything you need to get going. It also comes with this clip here that unscrews on the bottom like this, so I can do it as horizontal or vertical, however I want to have my phone. So we're going to set this up. So first thing I'm going to do is actually go to the bottom here, and I'm going to grab this little ball head and I'm going to screw it in so that I can mount this onto a tripod or a stand or something later. And there you go. It's all set in there. It's nice and snug. This can, of course, swivel around, etc. And then on the back here, if we want to have our phone going this way, so our phone would be vertical, like this. Maybe we're doing stories or TikToks or whatever. Or we can place it on the side here so that it will be horizontal now. So you have two options for that. I'm going to do the horizontal way because that's a lot of what I'm going to be doing. So you just slide it in there and we'll just tighten it up a little bit. And once we're done here, now we're going to place our phone. So I'm going to grab my iPhone 12 Plus. I'm going to go here and I'm going to expand this. And now I want to turn around and see, is the lens there? No, so I need to come down a little bit. And maybe about to there. Let me tighten it up. Just a little bit more. We'll go down a little bit more. Right there. And now I can see both of my lenses. I'm actually going to go a tad bit more. Right there. And now I can see my lenses right inside there. I don't know if you can see this through the glass, but there's the lenses. So now my phone is ready to go. I can now just, let me just open this up. And now I can turn on an app like Filmic Pro and get this up and running. And this is ready to start shooting video if I want to. So you can use whichever app you want. Now, in the front here, I'm just going to add my teleprompter. So before I get started, actually my phone is going to be my teleprompter, I should say. So before I get started, I'm going to open it up. And you have a lot of options. This teleprompter comes with an app that you can use, which you can use this control with. Now personally, I don't use that app, but there are instructions on how to use it, and there's YouTube videos as well. I like to use an app called Prompt Smart Pro. And I'll tell you why. Prompt Smart Pro allows me to speak at my own pace. It's listening to the way I speak and it moves the words as they're going. So in Prompt Smart Pro, I can import different text that I want to use. I can type it right in there if I want. It uses all kinds of formats, and so I can bring in all this stuff. It's great. So So once I've done that, I'm going to go here. And also, you see I'm getting things by Ring in my phone. Highly recommend going to the top here and going into airplane mode whenever you're doing anything here. So there you go, so we don't get interrupted. So now I've got this all set up here. I'm going to press this once, and now I've got my prompter set up. And now I'm just going to grab this and put my prompter in here. Let's see how, I actually want to do it this way, sorry. And there we go. And now if you can see this, where's the camera? You can see my words in there, and we'll do a better shot of this in a moment. But now the prompter is absolutely ready to go. I can just start speaking. I see it super clearly. So I can just start talking and doing my work here this way. So this would go into one of these. So we would screw this in. So now if you needed to put a DSLR camera, you can, and you might need another ball head here to raise it up, or maybe the camera is big enough with the lens right here. So lots of options, and you can take this out and put this one in instead. So you've got all this room here. So that is how all that works. It comes with a cleaning cloth as well. And we'll just take this off, and then you would mount this onto the tripod below there. I love using this because when I'm doing videos and I want to read from a script that I wrote, you know, because it's getting harder and harder to remember everything in my brain. So it's nice to have this ability to read the script directly from a teleprompter, super lightweight and easy to go. Like I said, it will go on any standard tripod or mount. You could put it like right here in front of you on a little mount there and just start blabbing away. It's got a little shoe on top so that you can add a microphone or a light or, you know, whatever you want. You could put a little adapter to have two things here if you wanted. So there you have it, the mini teleprompter. It's super, super cool, isn't it? I love this thing. All you need to bring is two devices that you own, put them in there, get shooting right away, and you're good to go. Now, will you do me a favor and hit that like button, because the YouTube algorithm loves that. And then also, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. And remember, comment below. I'm going to pick one of you to win one of these. I'm Dave Basulto, Photographer. Thanks for watching. We are out of here.